Hello, we're from Group 33 will present for the group assignment 1, and I am Lojayi will be taking the part 1, which is construct a appropriate graph and chart to compare the relative frequency and cumulative relative frequency in each dataset. This slide shows the dataset for domestic and international airlines for 24 different airlines from the lowest to the highest number. In this slide shows the analysis about the relative frequency and cumulative frequency for each domestic and international airlines. To find the relative frequency, we can divide the frequency by the total number of the data values, which means add all of the previous relative frequency to the relative frequency for the current row. To find the cumulative relative frequency, first of all, you can take the value from the frequency column. After that, all you need is to repeat for the remaining values. Keep moving to larger and larger values each time. Then, add the last cumulative frequency to the next value's absolute frequency. In this slide shows that the histogram graph that shows the comparison between domestic and international airlines for relative frequency. While in this slide shows the comparison for cumulative relative frequency between domestic and international airline.
Hello, I'm Rashara Abdul and Najar BB10403. I'm going to present part 2, calculate and compare measures of central location in each data set. So, the mean of domestic part is 1113828.9583 and the median is 570799.5 and the mode is not available. So the international mean is 456,067.4167 and the median is 88666 and the mode is not available.
Hello, this is Aaron Sulaiman Ibn Sabri, matrix number BB211611073, and today I will be presenting the third part of our assignment, which is to calculate percentiles and construct box plot in each dataset. To find the percentile, we must first use the given formula which is being shown at the top. Since there are 24 observations, I extracted that particular data and plugged it into the formula. After calculating it, the answer would be 6.25. I located which position it would be, and it is in between Jetlife Airlines and Malaysia Airlines. I extracted those two numbers corresponding to the airlines aforementioned and calculated, which then gave me an answer, 240,976.75. I performed the same calculation for the next percentiles as well as for the international flights. Now, in order to find the box plot, firstly we need to find Q1, the median, and Q3. After rearranging the data in ascending order, I then find the overall median for domestic flights as well as the international flights. Since there are 24 observations, I have to total up the two numbers in the middle and divide it by 2, which would then give me my median, 570,799 domestic passengers. For Q1, I took the first half of the observations and did the same calculation like before. The same thing goes for Q3, where I took the second half of the observations and performed the same calculations. Regarding the construction of the box plots, I have used the formula that has been given in the slides and referred to several sources in order to understand it. For domestic flights, there is only one outlier, which is AirAsia at 4,570,798 passengers. For international flights, there are four outliers, which are AirAsia, Asiana, Burak Airlines, and Vietnam Airlines.
Hello and good morning, sir. My name is Lynette Ng Yen Fong, metric number BB211100245. Today I will present on part 4, which is calculate and compare the measures of dispersion in each dataset. Measures of dispersion can be divided into 4 parts. The first one is range. To calculate range, we take the maximum value minus the minimum value. So the range for domestic is 4481969, while the range for international is 4680974. The second one is mean absolute deviation, MAD. and its formula is the sum of the absolute value of each deviation from the mean divided by the number of data points. Therefore, the MAD for the domestic is 909,795.3646, while the MAD for international is 632,818.2292. After that is variance, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation for domestic. The formula for variance is the square of each deviation from the mean divided by the number of data points minus 1. So the variance equals to 1414747,499,962.48. Next is the standard deviation. The formula is the square root of variance, which equals to 1189431.5869. While the coefficient of variation CV is calculated by using the amount of standard deviation divided by the mean, and it equals to 1.0679. Next is international. The variance for international is 1215249971198.95, while the standard deviation is 1102383.7677. Lastly, the CV for international is 2.4172. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hello to doctor and friends. My name is Hoyan Yan. My metric number is BB211611150. I will be presenting the last part, which is part 5, calculate and compare measures of association in each dataset. Firstly, we need to determine domestic as the value of x and international as the value of y. To find x bar, we will take the total sum of value x, divide with the sample size, which is 24, and the answer is 111,3828.96. And for the y bar is 456,067.42. Next, we will be calculating using this formula right here. In order to get this answer for each dataset, let's look at the value x of AirAsia Airline. 4570798 minus with x bar. Same goes for the value y. 4713336 minus with y bar. And then we will multiply both values and have 14717,245,676,024.76 as the answer for this formula. This calculation will be continued with the next data until Vietnam Airlines. Then we will get 2473876889516.30 as the total sum. The measure of association for covariance between x and y is 1075598647,370.27, and the correlation coefficient is 0.8203. This has shown a positive correlation in the data. That is the end of our presentation by Group 33. Thank you.